Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn this signature bridal glam and this is the look that we will create. Here's the before of my model and first हम लोग use करेंगे एक toner for the open pores. Next I will use this moisturizer from Clinique and using a brush इसको face पे evenly apply करेंगे. After using a moisturizer, next I will use a facial oil. This one is a dry oil from Nykaa Cosmetics. After that, I will use this illuminator from Charlotte Tilbury. After blending it evenly, next I will use this corrector from NARS in the shade Biscuit on her acne marks. Now we are ready to start with our base and I'll be using this foundation from Anastasia. With an applicator brush, I will apply it evenly and blend it with a very light hand. Now once the blending has been done, I'm using this Tantor from Huda Beauty to give dimension to her face. After applying, blend it exactly where you have applied the product. Now I will use this blush from NARS that is in the shade Orgasm, which is a beautiful baby pink shade, my absolute favorite. Now for the concealing part, I will use the concealer from Tarte Cosmetics in the shade Light Medium. And I will apply it like this. Now blending it exactly where I have applied the product. And now using a powder brush, I will set the under eye area with the minimum amount required. So once we have set the base, now I will apply a powder blush. Next step is to highlight the high points of the face like this. I'm using Stoned highlighter from Urban Decay. Now for the lip shade, I'm using the shade Fancy from Nindi Kaur Cosmetics. Now our final step is to set the whole makeup. So I'm using MAC Fix Plus to melt and set the whole makeup. And we're done with the final look. I hope you guys liked the video and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one.